Good morning, kabayan! Para sa ating house video for today, a brand new house and lot po in Imus, Cavite. Gated na po siya at pagpasok ay may mga pocket gardens. Malawak po ang garage area. Kasya po ang dalawang sasakyan. This is our living and dining area. Yan, malawak po siya. This is the actual unit na for sale. This is a complete turnover. Meron siyang maid's room or pwede ring guest room. And may sarili siyang toilet and bath. And this is the powder room para sa ating mga guests. Check naman natin ang second floor. Bali, meron siyang 3 bedrooms sa taas. And this is our master's bedroom. And kasama po yung ating, meron siyang master's toilet and bath. And with bathtub din siya. Our second bedroom. May CR din po siya. So, lahat po ng rooms ay may kanya-kanyang CR. Yun po yung maganda sa unit na to. Then, our third bedroom. Kasama na din po yung vanity area, salamin, tapos lahat po may cabinets, and lahat po may CR. The total lot area is 150 square meter. A total developed area is 200 square meter. Tapos ang maganda sa unit na to, facing morning sun. Ito naman yung door access going to the lanai area. So, malawak din siya, paikot siya. Meron tayong free 700 liters water tank reserve. Then, this is the service area. At palabas ng parking area. The TCP is 11.2 million with a reservation fee of 100,000 pesos. For more info and for tripping assistance, contact us on this Facebook page.